Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could build the next generation of autonomous AI agents with Google Cloud tools and win from a rupees 32.5 lakh prize pool and pitch your innovation to the best minds in tech all in just 30 hours? Welcome to Agentic AI Day 2025. It's not just an event, but India's biggest AI innovation sprint of the year. Stay with me till the end because I will show you exactly how you can join and what the tech you will use and how to stand out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond BTech, where we break down tech events, placements and projects in the smart way. So hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond BTech and make sure that you will hit the bell icon to get the latest updates whenever I upload. Firstly, what is Agentic AI Day 2025? This is not your typical hackathon. Google Cloud's Agentic AI Day 2025 is a 30 hours in-person innovation sprint happening on July 26 and 27 in Bengaluru at the Bengaluru International Exhibition Center. And it's completely free, but you need to register before July 10th and hack to skill. And guess what? This event is about building agentic AI systems that AI doesn't just respond, it thinks and decides and acts on its own. And with tools like Gemini, Vertex AI, Firebase, and AI Studio, you will build the AI agents that can reason, adapt, and evolve. And firstly, what is Agentic AI? Let's quickly understand the tech. An Agentic AI is like a smart teammate, not just a tool, and it can take goals, break them down, and use tools reason over data, and even collaborate with the other agents. Think AutoGPT, but tailored to real world deployment. At that event, you will use Gemini for multimodal AI prompts and Vertex AI to train and fine tune models, and Firebase for quick backend setups. And you will use AI Studio to test your agents in real time, and you will ideate and build and deploy all within 30 hours. So, who can participate and how to register? You must be 18 years old and a student or a working professional and able to join in person at Bengaluru International Exhibition Center, and you should be a part of team of 2 to 5 members and register and hack to skill, upload your details and wait for shortlisting. If selected, you will get a unique opportunity to co-create with the Google engineers and top mentors. And it's not just a hackathon, it's a full ecosystem, workshop on Gemini and Vertex AI and Firebase, and live mentoring by Google Cloud experts, and real-time debugging and building support. And it's a 30-hour non-stop sprint, ends with a live pitching round to expert judges. And here's the vibe. Imagine over 300 like-minded developers hustling under one roof and turning ideas into reality. And prizes and stakes are very big, and the first prize is rupees 3 lakhs, and second prize is about 2 lakhs, and the third prize is rupees 1 lakh, and there will be 5 consolation prizes rupees 50,000 each. But wait, all shortlisted participants get Google Cloud's facts and certification of participation and hands-on project to showcase on your resume. And you will be networking with Google mentors and top Indian developers. And want to win this? You should focus on these three things. Use AI reasoning. It means your agent should make decisions based on data and not just on instructions, and solve a real world problem. Focus on real world impact like in health sector or finance or logistics or education, and make flawless pitching. Your 5-minute pitch should have a clear demo and value and scalability. Practice building small agents using Google's AI Studio before the event. And last year projects blew everyone's mind, from smart legal bots to autonomous job application in agents. And the energy was electric, and the winners walked away not just with money but internship offers and interviews and media coverage. And if you are serious about AI and want to build the next gen tools the world will use, so this is your chance to learn, build and shine on a national stage with Google Cloud. The deadline to register is July 10, 2025, and the link is in the description. Tag your teammates, follow us for exclusive preparation material, project ideas and tech tutorials. And before you go, smash that like button, subscribe to Beyond BTech, and share this video with your college groups because Agentic AI Day is coming and it's going to change the game.